What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a convertible IROC Camaro. Should have a little 305 up under the hood, aluminum radiator. AC works on this car. This is a beautiful 88 model Camaro for $10,900 up here at Maple Motors. Today is test drive time. We do have finance options at maplemotors.com, so definitely check that out. We can also ship these cars all over the country. I do not expect this one to last very long, so definitely jump on it as quick as you can if you're interested. This one does have front disc brakes on it as well. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, gonna look around the interior before we take off. I got the cold AC blowing on me right now. It's got a dash cover. I'm sure it's covering up some cracks in the dash. It's glued down, but it looks nice and clean. I actually kind of like that dash cover. It's got an aftermarket stereo in here. RPMs are coming up. Looks like most of our gauges are working. We just started this car up, so it's just starting to get real cold on the AC. I believe the gas gauge works. There's a electric fan switch down here. It's got Memphis speakers. This thing's in good shape. They did black out the back window. I think he just threw some paint on it or something. Got Memphis speakers in the back as well. I bet you this thing jams. All right, go ahead, place your bets. You think the horn works? We'll go ahead and try the windshield wipers while we're sitting here. They work nice. Mess with the windows. I know these Camaro windows are real big. Sometimes the power windows go out in them, so we're gonna try both of them. See, they're a little slow on us. It goes up faster and it goes down. That doesn't make any sense. It does got some Memphis tweeters in here. Might as well try the door locks. And they're all working. Let's take off down the road. All right, guys, get my seatbelt on. Take off here. Oh yeah, I'm not used to having a car with AC. Not driving these old schools all the time. Like I said, anything that I see I will point out. If you're new to the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button. I do post videos almost every day. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. Our temp gauge is coming up on the motor finally. Passing gear's hooked up, which I refer to as a kick down. Steering's real tight on this car. I mean, as soon as I turn, it turns. Suspension's a little bit bumpy, but I believe this one's been lowered a little bit. It looks good the way it does, though, the way it sits down on top of the wheels. The old horn does not work. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here. We do have a spreadsheet. If requested, we'll check all the turn signals, headlights, all that good stuff on the outside of the car, kind of go over what gauges work and what does not. I do that mostly in the videos, but I don't get out and show you the headlights, turn signals, tail lights. I just get into the driving aspect and any kind of rust or anything with my walk around video. Sounds like we got a key in here for your wheels, and we do. That's what's rolling around. It's a lock. I wonder if it'll fit in the ashtray there. back in here. I want to get some outside shots rolling around the parking lot, and we'll continue this test drive. Might as well go ahead and do an outside walk around over here. So far so good on engine temp. It looks like it's only at like 150. Of course, that factory gauge may be off a little bit. All right, ride around with a convertible top down, looking like this. Not cool, man, not cool. All right, I'm gonna take off. Engine tip's still nice and cool. One thing I did notice, this one has a fan switch under the dash here. Definitely don't forget that. You'll need it. You don't want to have no fans running on this car, or any car for that matter. Try not to turn my head too much. I think we just got a good open road now, so. This thing's sweet. Well, the odometer is working, but the tripometer is not working on here. You can see the odometer turning, but the trip's not doing anything. I don't know if it's cut off or what. This is that road that's got the speed bump in it. The suspension is all right on this one. It's still a little bit stiff. It always was in these cars. Same with the Camaros. It's coming up, or the same with the Camaros. I was gonna say the mid-90s Camaros, but it's not too bad. Waiting on some of this traffic. They just did a mandatory mask thing here. Our mayor just released it. Does that mean I have to drive around with a mask on? I don't know. I'll be sweating through it. I'm gonna pull back in the car lot here. Finish the day up. It is after 5. We just closed. Sweet. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Guys, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. You can also check out all of my inventory at maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. We can also ship these cars all over the nation. We have a ton of cars in stock up here at Maple Motors. I know a lot of them said hold and sold on my walk around video, but we buy so many. We just put 14 on today on the website, so we'll keep up with it. I appreciate y'all watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share, it helps us out greatly. And thanks again, guys. Merchandise coming soon.